Learning English can change your life in many ways. It opens the door to new ideas and new friends. English is spoken on every continent. That means you can communicate almost anywhere you go. When you travel, English helps you read signs and ask for help. It makes journeys smoother and less stressful. Many top universities teach in English. Knowing English gives you access to great courses and books. You can watch lectures from famous professors online. You can also read research the moment it is published. English is the main language of the internet. Most websites, videos, and podcasts use English words. When you understand them, you gain more knowledge every day. In the workplace, English is a valuable skill. International companies often choose English for meetings. If you speak it well, you can join global projects. You can easily share your ideas with colleagues abroad. This can lead to better jobs and higher salaries. Learning English boosts your confidence. You feel proud when you start a conversation and people understand you. Each small success pushes you to keep learning. English gives you access to movies, songs, and books in their original form. You enjoy stories exactly as the writers imagined them. You laugh at jokes that do not translate well. You feel the rhythm of music without waiting for subtitles. English connects you to world news quickly. You hear multiple viewpoints and think more critically. This helps you make informed choices in life. Studying English trains your brain. You improve memory, focus, and problem-solving skills. These benefits carry over to every subject you study. Learning English also teaches patience and discipline. You build a daily habit that strengthens willpower. Language study helps you see your own culture differently. You compare words and customs and grow more open-minded. English can help you make international friends online. You can chat, exchange ideas, and play games together. These friendships can last a lifetime. If you run a business, English lets you reach new markets. You can write ads, answer emails, and sell products worldwide. That can increase sales and build your brand. English is useful for science and technology. Most manuals, code libraries, and tutorials are in English. Understanding them keeps you updated with new tools. If you like entertainment, English gives you early access to new shows. You can join discussions and fan communities. English can even help you when learning other languages. You spot word roots that make new vocab easier. Through English, you discover diverse cultures. You learn about festivals, food, and traditions. This knowledge makes travel richer. When you volunteer, English lets you help international teams. You can assist in global projects and disaster relief. English improves your social media presence. You write posts that reach a bigger audience. You inspire more people with your story. Learning English teaches you to set goals. Each new word learned is progress you can count. You see clear results and stay motivated. You learn to celebrate small victories. English challenges you in a fun way. You play language games, quizzes, and word puzzles. These activities keep your mind active. English can help you enjoy video games. Many popular games and guides use English instructions. You never feel lost in a new level or quest. When you watch sports, English commentary is everywhere. You understand tactics and stories behind each player. You feel connected to global fans. If you plan to live abroad, English makes daily life easier. You can open a bank account and rent an apartment. You can talk to doctors and teachers without fear. English helps you pass important tests like IELTS or TOEFL. These certificates open doors to study and work. Even basic English improves your travel safety. You can read emergency signs and warnings. You can ask officials for help more clearly. Learning English is also fun. You discover catchy phrases and slang. You laugh at language jokes with friends. You feel younger and more curious. English can be learned anywhere. You can study through apps, videos, and songs. You can join free online groups to practice. All you need is time and passion. Start small with simple words. Practice every day, even 5 minutes. Listen to easy podcasts and repeat sentences. Write short diary entries in English. Celebrate each new phrase you master. Find a learning partner or join a class. Support makes the journey easier. Be patient with mistakes. They show you are trying and growing. Remember your goal: freedom to communicate. Picture yourself speaking with confidence. Hold that picture whenever study feels hard. Step by step, you will reach it. English is not just a language. It is a bridge to dreams, knowledge, and friendship. Take the first step today. Your future self will thank you.